Hey everyone, this is the start of our final unit, Unit 8. This will be finance. And before we get to any of the lessons, we need to look at the formulas that we could be using. So in this unit, we're going to look at simple interest, compound interest, present value of compound interest, and what's called annuities. So the formulas in simple interest, there are two formulas that we want to look at if you are trying to find how much interest is made. We're going to be using the formula I equals PRT. What do these stand for? I is the interest made. P is the principal payment. Or the principal amount, so that's how much money you're putting into the account. R is the interest rate. And T represents time. Okay, the other formula that we could be looking at is if you want the total amount of money that will be in the account after interest is made, so the final amount, or total amount. And that formula is just A equals your principal plus the total amount of interest made. Okay, so A is the total amount of money. Okay, on to compound interest. The formula we will be using for future value, that means the amount of money you'll have in your account after interest is made, will be A equals P times 1 plus I to the power N. Okay, and again, A is the total amount of money. P is the principal amount, and I'm not going to write these out every single time. I this time is the interest per compound period. And the N is total number, so the number of compound periods. Okay, because it gives you an interest rate per year. So if it's compounded monthly, there will be 12 payments per year. If it's compounded daily, there will be 365. Okay, so to figure out the I, it will be the rate divided by the compound periods. Okay, so interest rate divided by compound periods. Okay, so if it's 12% compounded monthly, that would be 12 divided by 12 to give us 1. And the N, the total number of payments, is T multiplied by CP. Okay? So the time in years multiplied by compound periods. Okay, present value. So that compound interest formula was for future value, how much we'll have in the future. Present value is more if you're taking out loans or you have a goal in mind. So in 5 years, I want to have $20,000 saved. How much do I need to put away today? Okay, so we have, let's go, present value equals the future value divided by 1 plus I to the power n. Okay. Different things here. PV equals present value. FV equals future value. And FV is pretty much the same thing as the A above in the compound interest formula. Okay, annuities, these are the tough ones. So what an annuity is if you make a regular payment. So let's say you want to put away $500 every month. That would be an annuity. You're making a regular payment every month. So the future value annuity now these are a bit tougher. We have FV equals the regular payment multiplied by 1 plus I to the power n minus 1, and all of that divided by the I. Present value it's almost the same. We have PV equals, again, the regular payment, but this time multiplied by 1 minus 1 plus I to the power n. I should say negative n divided by I.